8 hotel secrets you guests are probably surprised to hear. Hotel secrets aren't obvious at check-in. Rooms appear clean and orderly, but appearances can be deceiving, revealing hidden practices most guests remain unaware of during their stay. Hotel glasses may be inadequately cleaned, risking health. Guests found drinking glasses were merely rinsed with water or wiped with used towels, rather than being properly sanitized, breaching health codes. Hotel TV remotes are bacteria-laden, often above limits. Infrequent cleaning and frequent use worsen health risks. Booking directly with hotels can unveil better room options, views, and terms, unlike third-party sites. Guests often assume "do not disturb" signs guarantee privacy, but hotel policies may permit staff entry for wellness checks, especially after incidents like the 2017 Las Vegas shooting. Hotel duvet covers may be cleaned weekly or after several stays, unlike regularly washed sheets and pillowcases. Thin walls in hotel rooms allow noise to travel, especially in older or budget hotels. Consider rooms away from noise, use white noise apps or earplugs. Sensor-based minibars charge for moving items, detecting changes. Request emptying if unused to avoid unexpected charges. Hotel sheets are frequently washed, unlike duvet covers, often laundered weekly, risking cleanliness. Fold down duvets, sleep under sheets, or request clean blankets.